welcome back to Cooking with Dave. I'm your host Dave. Today we're going to end the summer with pulled pork. So I have here about a 10-pound pork shoulder, and it says about an hour and a half per pound. So this is going to be a long cook. This is not going to be something you're going to do in one day. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and prep my shoulder here. Let me take it out of the package here. All right, get that here. Beautiful shoulder though, real nice shoulder. There like that. All right. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to dry this off the best I can. Get it as nice and dry as possible. You want to be able to get all your seasonings to stick to it, and also helps to make sure it's clean, make sure there's no gristle or any cut parts, like little bone from when they cut the shoulder off. So get this side done. That. Also any extra blood you don't want. Now you can leave the skin on it and cook with the skin on, but I prefer the skin off. And so we're going to show you how to take the skin off. Basically what you do is you need a nice sharp knife. I got my 10-inch here. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a spot here. And like I said, make sure your knives are sharp. You get in here. Get that. Right up there. The reason why I like taking this skin off, it helps so much easier. It helps it helps to render it a lot easier by taking the skin off. If you don't take the skin off, it just gives a hard time to render, and you want that fat to render down. Because, you know, fat is flavor. So, get in here, you get that. You don't have to worry about getting it all off, but you want to get the majority of it off. And just like that. Yeah. Peel it off. Nice and slow. Don't rush it. If you rush it, you'll hurt yourself. Now you can save this and you can make crackling out of it and stuff. I really don't have any use for it. But I think this time I will. I think I'll make a crackling video for everyone, so they can see how to make crackling. Got a little bit of skin right here. All right. Turn around that way. Put the skin there. My neighbor in his old car, nice little Ford, or Chevy, excuse me. He'd be very upset if I called it a Ford and he heard me. There we go. All right. Now that's all off of there. We'll get this crackling put aside. All right. Now what we're going to do is, well, my hands are all dirty. All right. First thing we're going to do is we want to get this thing prepped up here. So I got a little bit of mustard. This is going to be my base. This is what's going to hold all my seasoning to it. And trust me, you're not going to taste the mustard when it gets done. This is just a base to hold it. So put it on there like such. One hand clean, one hand dirty. So I'm right-handed, so I'll use my left hand. Get in there. Trust me, by the end, your both hands are going to be filthy. All right, get that all around the sides there. Get that over here. Use my knife to flip it over. All right. You want to try to get every spot you can. All right. Now the mustard's on there. Take a little bit of salt and pepper. Not much, just a little bit. Most pork nowadays comes with salt already prepped in there, so. But a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of my smoked paprika. I love this stuff. This is good on anything you're making in a barbecue. It gives a nice smoky flavor. And like I say, you don't have to worry about putting a whole lot on, because this is a 10-pound piece of meat, my friends. This is going to need it. And the bark is going to be unbelievable with this. All right, got the smoked paprika. Now, here I have it's called Sweet and Smoky, salt-free. And as you've known in my previous videos, I'm a big fan of low sodium stuff, and this is really good. It has chipotle, peppers, brown sugar, smoked paprika, dried tomato, and it's great on chicken, steak, and pork. So I love it. I think it's good on anything. All right. Now, on the smoker, your heat's right here in the middle. All right. You want to be offset. You don't want to be directly over the heat. You want it to smoke. You want it to get a nice, good smoky flavor. So you either put on that side or that side. I like to put it on this side because the flame is from here to here. So if I put it over here, I'm getting nothing but smoke. So, again, like I said, I want to cook this fat side up. That's the fat side. Alright? We'll sit that right on there like that. Smoker set at 150 degrees. So, welcome back to Cooking with Dave. We got the pork shoulder that's on the smoker here. And that just went on there a few minutes ago. But I want to go ahead and show you how to make a simple, sweet, and tangy barbecue sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some ketchup. I have here about a cup of ketchup. Alright. About a cup of ketchup. About a quarter cup of mustard. And I apologize, my neighbor decided to mow his lawn just as I'm doing this. Anyway, about a quarter cup of mustard. About an eighth of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Eighth of a cup of soy sauce. And 1 cup of pure honey. That's for the sweet. Alright. Get that in there, mix it up a little bit. Start incorporating everything here. Alright. Now, I want a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So, about 2 tablespoons. More if you'd like it, but that's what I'm going to keep it at. Then my smoked paprika. Yep, about 2 tablespoons of the sweet paprika. One just sit on there. There you go. Get out of here, fly. Alright. And now, some of that sweet and smoky. Now, the sweet and smoky, like I said, it has brown sugar in it. So I'm not going to add more brown sugar. I don't have to, because it's got plenty of it in there. Although it does have paprika, I don't think it has enough for me. So, we got that. I would say about that much. Again, this is a sweet and spicy, or sweet and tangy. And we mix. Alright, well, I will see you guys back here when we're ready to wrap this. Nice and juicy in there. It looks good. Whenever you're wrapping it, you always want to make sure you get it as tight as possible. Because what you're looking to do when you're doing this, what you're looking to do is you're looking to steam it on the inside. We'll see how long we have left to do on this. I don't think we have much to do at all left. That bone's coming out nicely. Yeah. That's looking really good. There's one part of the bone. Oh yes. There we go. There's the other part of the bone. There's any of those goodies. Yep, just like that. Inside the pan here, like such. Don't want to lose anything. Don't want to lose all that goodness. Alright, get that in there. Down. Do as it takes. Get out of there, fly. You can't have that. Alright. Take this good old barbecue sauce here. Not all of it. Save some for the sandwich. Like such. Mix around a little bit. Alright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.